the giant beasts of the rails, and how these machines tear through snow layers up to 20 feet deep. Have you ever wondered how these trains still operate powerfully even when the tracks are buried under massive layers of snow? The truth is, there are machines specifically built to survive these extreme conditions. Machines that don't just face the snow, but rip straight through it with raw power. Oh no, this is extremely dangerous. The truck crossed past the barrier and was completely crushed by the massive train, leaving almost nothing recognizable behind. It looked like a massive fire from a distance, until getting closer. It was only the smoke from a passing train. The Reading and Northern Steam Train uses a classic high-pressure steam locomotive weighing hundreds of tons to power its way down the tracks. If you're impressed by this giant machine, comment 1 and share your thoughts. With just one powerful impact, the front of the truck was torn away from the body and dragged along the tracks by the train. The intense friction between the metal and the rails sent sparks flying everywhere. Snow explodes across the frozen railway. The C&TS rotary OI snowplow train uses a massive steel rotary blade nearly 10 feet in diameter to crush snow and blast it over 100 feet away from the tracks. The train carves a path through several feet of packed snow deep in the harsh winter mountains. Subscribe to the channel to keep exploring the world's most massive trains and the most powerful railway machines ever built. The Reading train is about to arrive. The steam locomotive, weighing hundreds of tons, uses a piston-driven system that transfers power directly to the steel wheels. Pulling dozens of rail cars at speeds of around 50 miles per hour, the train moves through thick clouds of white steam and smoke. It actually looks pretty fun and exciting. The sound of the engine grows louder and louder. The Cumbers and Toltec rotary OY snowplow train crushes through several feet of packed snow and blasted far away from the mountain tracks. Its high-speed rotary blades spin relentlessly, allowing the train to clear a path through brutal snowstorms and freezing temperatures.
Summit at Cumbres Pass. 2 hours of non-stop rotary snowplow action on the Cumbres and Toltec scenic.
Do you know what this machine is used for? Let me reveal it to you. It's specially designed for railway track maintenance. This rail maintenance machine weighs over 60,000 pounds and travels directly on the tracks to keep railway lines stable and safe for high-speed trains. If you're impressed by this machine like I am, comment 1 and share your thoughts. It honestly looks like it moves pretty slowly. This is a CP rail snowplow train using a massive rotating steel blade at the front to crush and blast tons of snow away from the tracks. It operates continuously through heavy Canadian snowstorms. A diesel engine producing thousands of horsepower powers the high-speed rotary system. Like a superhero emerging from the frozen snow. This snow clearing machine is equipped with a massive rotary blade at the front, spinning at extremely high speed. Huge blocks of snow are crushed and blasted high into the air continuously, clearing the tracks completely. There are truly many different types of snow clearing machines, each with its own unique design and appearance. Every machine I see seems to possess an incredible kind of power. Before long, the snow is completely cleared away. Let's switch things up a little. Now we're heading into the forest to check out this incredibly powerful machine. The logging machine loads massive timber onto the trailer and moves through thick, slippery snow, while heavy-duty tire chains help it avoid getting stuck. The sound of the engine echoes through the forest like a call for help. The machine drags several massive logs behind it while moving downhill, and just watching it makes you realize how difficult the task really is. This is definitely going to be a huge challenge for the machine. That turn from the logging tractor was absolutely incredible. Equipped with heavy tracks, the machine moves confidently across slippery mud, even through rough and unforgiving terrain. I truly admire the power of this machine and the courage of the driver controlling it. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. Subscribe now to witness more giant railway machines and powerful equipment overcoming the harshest conditions on Earth.